It is our humble request that you kindly watch the video till the end, and also share it, so that we can help people get access to right information about such a critical topic. In this new video of Up to Date, you will get to know about the COVID-19 vaccination in India, and also answers to some common questions that everyone is having in their minds. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to JQC and press the bell icon to stay updated with quality content. 2 COVID-19 vaccines have been approved by the Drug Control General of India for restricted emergency use. The first phase of the vaccination will include frontline workers, followed by people who are above 50 years old. For further vaccination process, the central government has introduced an application named CoWIN, which is short for COVID Vaccine Intelligence Work. First of all, the CoWIN app is not functional yet. At this point of time, do not download any application from Play Store or App Store, or provide any kind of personal information to anybody. The app is still being developed. It has information of health officials who will be first in line to get the vaccination. Over 75 lakh health officials have registered for it already. So how do I register myself for the vaccination process? Let's see the entire process for vaccination as prescribed by the Government of India. Step 1. You will have to register on the CoWIN system using a valid photo ID. Step 2. You would then be receiving all SMS messages on your registered mobile number. Step 3. On the day of vaccination, at the vaccination site, Vaccination Officer 1 will check your registration and verify your photo ID. It could be someone from the police or NCC or NYK. Step 4. Vaccination Officer 2 will verify and authenticate your documents on CoWIN. Step 5. Vaccination Officer 3 will vaccinate you. Step 6. Following vaccination, you will have to wait in the observation area for 30 minutes. Vaccination Officers 4 and 5 will ensure that you wait for 30 minutes. They will also guide the people who have not registered on CoWIN. Step 7. You will need to come for the second dose of the vaccine on the due date as per the SMS received. If you are still watching this video, it would really help if you support and subscribe to the channel. Further, let us look at some frequently asked questions about the vaccine. How is a vaccine chosen out of the multiple vaccines available? Out of the many COVID-19 vaccines, only the ones that receive license by the drug regulator will be considered safe and effective. An important point here is that you should complete the entire schedule of vaccination with only one type of vaccine. Different COVID-19 vaccines that are available are not interchangeable. Will the vaccine be safe? It has been introduced in a very short span of time. A vaccine will be made available to the people only when it is cleared by the regulatory bodies based on its safety and efficacy. What are the possible side effects of the vaccine? Similar to other vaccines, common side effects may include pain at the site of injection, mild fever, etc. It is currently not clear what side effects the vaccines may cause, but be rest assured, the vaccine will be introduced only when the safety is proven. All states have been asked to make arrangements to deal with side effects related to the vaccine. Is it compulsory for me to get vaccinated? See, it is not mandatory, but voluntary. But if you are going to receive the vaccine, make sure you receive the complete vaccine schedule for protection against COVID-19. If a person currently has COVID, or is showing symptoms of COVID, should he or she be vaccinated? Such people should wait for at least 14 days after all their symptoms get resolved. Infected people may increase the risk of spreading the infection at the vaccination sites. Hence, they should be vaccinated once they have recovered. If someone has recovered from COVID, should he or she be vaccinated? Well, irrespective of the past history of infection, it is advised to receive the complete schedule of the vaccine to develop a strong immune response. Is the vaccine safe for people with other illnesses such as diabetes, cancer, etc.? Yes, it is. Such people with one or more medical conditions are more vulnerable to getting infected, and so they need to get vaccinated. Thanks for watching. Hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to like the video and share this piece of information with everyone. Hope you have subscribed to JQC. We will keep bringing such quality content for you. Stay home, stay safe,